In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background from an image in Polotno Studio. First, open your web browser and head to studio.polotno.com. You'll arrive in a clean web-based editor that works right in the browser, so there's nothing to install. Give the page a moment to load. A stable connection helps the tools appear quickly and ensures the processing runs smoothly. Once you're in the editor and your image is on the canvas, click directly on the image you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles appear around it. If you have multiple items on your canvas, a quick single click on the correct image makes it the active layer, which is important because the background removal applies only to the selected element. If you're unsure it's selected, click once more to be certain before moving on. With the image selected, look for the editing toolbar that appears in the interface. Click the option labeled Remove Background to start the AI process. This tool uses automatic subject detection to separate your main subject from the background. There's nothing extra you need to configure, just one click. Depending on the image size and your connection, processing may take a few seconds. It's normal to see a brief loading indicator while the system analyzes edges like hair, fur, or fine details. When the AI finishes, you'll see a preview of your image with the background removed. Take a moment to inspect the result. Zoom in if needed to check the edges, especially around complex areas. If the subject looks clean and the background is gone as intended, confirm the change to finalize it. This tells Polotno Studio to apply the cutout to your canvas so you can continue working without the original background. If you notice any leftover halos or missing bits, try running. Remove background again after slightly repositioning or resizing the image. High contrast images tend to produce the most accurate results, so if your subject blends into the original background, a second pass can help. You can also use undo if you want to compare before and after or revert. Once you're happy and have confirmed, your image is now isolated and ready for whatever you want to do next, whether that's placing it on a new backdrop, adding text, or layering other elements in your design. And that's it. You've just removed a background in Polotno Studio quickly and cleanly with just a click and a confirmation.